Hello friends. So, is your car refusing to start, or do you notice your ignition system acting up? If your scanner shows code P0512, it means there's an issue with the starter request circuit, which is crucial for starting your engine. In this video I'll explain what P0512 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0512 code stands for Starter Request Circuit Malfunction. This means the engine control module, or ECM, is not receiving a proper signal from the ignition switch or starter system. When this happens, your car may have trouble starting or may not start at all. Ignoring this code can lead to complete engine no-start issues and potential damage to the ignition system. Engine cranks but won't start. No crank, no start condition. Check engine light on. Intermittent starting issues. Clicking noise when turning the key. If your car is showing these symptoms, let's find out where the problem is. To diagnose P0512, locate these key components. Ignition switch. Location: inside the steering column, near the ignition key slot. Starter motor and solenoid. Location: mounted on the engine block, near the flywheel or flex plate. Neutral safety switch for automatic transmission only. Location: attached to the side of the transmission near the gear selector cable. Starter relay and fuse box. Location: usually found in the engine bay fuse box. So, here's a helpful tip. Most P0512 issues, they usually come from a faulty ignition switch or, damaged wiring. So, let's break down the most common causes of the P0512 code. First, a faulty ignition switch. When the ignition switch fails, it just can't send that start signal to the ECM. Next, a bad starter motor or solenoid. If either one is weak or damaged, the engine won't crank. Third, a blown starter relay or fuse. If that's blown, well, the starter circuit just won't function at all. Then there's damaged wiring or loose connections. Corroded or broken wires can totally interrupt the start signal. And finally, in rare cases, a faulty ECM. If the ECM can't receive the start signal, it might trigger the P0512 code. Alright, here's how you can fix the P0512 code. Step 1, use an obd2 scanner to confirm the code. Step 2, check the ignition switch. If it's worn out or unresponsive, just replace it. Step 3, inspect the starter motor and solenoid. If you hear a clicking noise but the engine doesn't crank, the starter might be bad. Step 4, test the starter relay and fuse. Replace them if needed. Step 5, check all wiring and connections. Look for anything loose, corroded, or broken. And finally, Step 6, reset the code and take your car for a test drive. Clear the code and see if the issue is resolved. So, just to wrap things up, the P0512 code is usually caused by a faulty ignition switch, a bad starter motor, or damaged wiring. Fixing it will restore smooth engine starts and help you avoid those annoying no-start issues. And hey, for more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next: P0270 cylinder 4 injector circuit low, and P0271 cylinder 5 injector circuit low. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.